So we're at one of our installations, and I love when an outside company doesn't use conduits. Oh, yeah. But here's something I wanted to show you. Beautiful punches. Ah, what's that they say? Ah, so we're still in the middle of jacking down things. Ah, beautiful thing. But you know what's funny is? It starts with a G. That's what's missing. Does anybody know what a bus bar is? Does anybody know what starts with the letter G and ends with a G? Grounding. I want to encourage everybody, always make sure they have a bus bar as it was provided in the blueprints. But anyway, quick thing, cable tray, conduits, beautiful punches. We're in the middle of a process. You can see they don't even have real lights in here. But I always encourage people, buy the proper length patch cables and also make sure you have grounding. So right now we're using Keystone jacks. So it's better presentation. And just make sure you get a rack layout. That way you work with clients. They want to put some 1U cable managers. They would work with these kind of slimline things. But that's it. Remember grounding.